I was not married then. I was not married, and then I also wanted to find a job. And no woman will marry you until you have a job. I have more than 300 applications, and maybe 50 or 60 from BT. H index of my work done in India is 79. Biotechnology is the queen at the moment of all the subjects.
That's true.
Look, biosensor can tell you whether to believe a girlfriend or boyfriend or not. Who is thinking more about you? I studied in Ramjas College, Delhi University. I stayed in the hostel. So mess bill of that at that time was 80 rupees. My father can give you. I used to ask him 5 rupees more extra only. So this interview should be exposed to the beginners. Should be told to the beginner that what does actually the biotechnology offer. One doesn't like all the subjects even in biotechnology.
हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज हम फिर से एक इंटरव्यू के साथ आपके सामने हैं। आज इंसेप्टियो के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है बिकॉज वी हैव आवर वेरी ओन प्रोफेसर BD मल्होत्रा एंड ही इज़ द प्रोफेसर इन द ब्रांच बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। सर हेलो।
हेलो।
सर पहले तो हैप्पी इंजीनियर्स डे। और सर इस इंटरव्यू को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सर मेरा आपसे पहला सवाल ये है कि वाई डिड यू ऑप्टेड दिस जॉब एज अ प्रोफेसर और आई शुड से एज अ टीचर, मतलब व्हाट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन या फिर किस वजह से आप इस साइड की तरफ थोड़ा सा इंक्लाइंड हुए?
ये बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है। आप तो ये कह सकती हैं कि मैं आज यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचा।
हाँ।
So at some point during my life, I got very sick, maybe 2 to 3 times in a year. That was when I was in standard 6th. So I decided that I will not continue. My father had a small business, so I will join him. And all parents in our country are like that. So for some reason my uncle, father's brother, he came over and said that you are not going to school. That was in the month of December or January. I said no. Then he suddenly took, no, you should go to school and you should do something. Then he took me to my class teacher. He said that you cannot be admitted now because it is too late in 6th. So you please try next year, next session. Which so for some reason, it clicked me. And another thing was, there was a lady in our neighborhood. I belong to Bhiwani, and when I come from shop to pick up food for my father, so she used to, in the winter, she used to come to our house because we had enough sunshine. And she said that, Bansi, you can do business anytime you want, but you cannot study. So that also clicked me at that time. So these are the two factors that motivated me to seek admission again in March or April and get back to 6th standard. And then it so happened I started doing, I think I was a good student all the time. And then I kept on studying and studying. I got good marks all the time, and now I have produced almost 29 PhDs. 29 people have taken their PhD. So your question is that why did I choose professorship?
Yes sir.
After doing my PhD from Delhi University in 1979, I went over to UK as a postdoc, came back and wanted to look for a job. So I joined IIT Delhi for some time with Professor K.L. Chopra, and for some reason I was not married then. I was not married, and then I also wanted to find a job, and no woman will marry you until you have a job. So I came back in November 1982, I think, from UK, from Glasgow, for doing a postdoc for 3 years. So both were a challenge for me to find a life partner and to find a job. So I went to Bangalore for some time. I went to Roorkee. I went to IIT Delhi where I joined, and then Professor K.L. Chopra and his wife were in the department at 9 o'clock at night. So Professor Chopra said, "Do you want a job?" I said, "Why not?" And at that time, our discussions with some family, with one girl were going on, and so I said, "Yes, so give me your biodata." So I gave the biodata very early morning. अंधे को क्या चाहिए दो आँखें. And then after a few days, he said that you cannot get a job here because you are a student of Professor V.G. Bhide. And so I came back to NPL, and my guide had left to NPL to become Vice Chancellor of Pune University. And then Dr. A.P. Mitra at that time was the director, and he said that he'll be glad to have me at NPL. So I joined. And then I started a new area at NPL on conducting polymers. And this occurred me because I said that I wasn't married. You want to get a job anywhere, you must be original. You must be able to do something which others don't have. And that is true also with our publications, papers. Your current paper, I have more than 300 publications, and maybe 50 or 60 from DTU itself. So I started the area in India at NPL on conducting polymers. The reason I joined Professor Chopra was that he was also interested in this particular area. In any case, with this kind of episode, I started the work on conducting polymers in the country, and wrote a review article at that time which got high citations even today. I got a job. I got married in 1983 May, and then job was a difficult thing at that time, so eventually I got a job after 3 years. And at the same time, a letter came from DST, Department of Science and Technology, that I should start work on biosensors. And I didn't want to do it because I wanted to continue on conducting polymers all the time, because कितनी बारी field change करोगे. And the reason I got into, because the director was interested, country was interested, and they said that you should give something to the country which will be usable by the people of India. So glucose sensor, as you know, is widely used, and we started work on that, and we eventually commercialized it. We commercialized glucose sensor. So we got an award also from National Research Development Corporation. And then biosensors, by the way, are precursors to biomolecular electronics. And what I want to emphasize is that biosensors have a large number of applications for healthcare, for environment, for defense. And I also want to know what is it you are thinking about me as I am delivering the presentation today, as to whether this and by the way, our seers they can tell you by looking at your face as to what you are thinking. And just like a small child, the mother's baby, the condition of the baby mother knows is best. कि अभी सुसु करने वाला है या पोटी आएगी या क्या होगा, what temperature it is. So in any case, all that I want to put it into a gadget, a highly smart gadget. And so biosensors that driven me, and I am, by the way, 70 plus years old, and still have interest. One of my students submitted a PhD thesis in DTU only 3-4 weeks ago on biosensors for breast cancer detection. and it has been a challenge to me, and it is still a challenge. I think even if my leave my breath, I think this area is going to grow, and biosensors have become part of my life, and there are lots of challenges, as I said, and a lot remains to be done. So that is the very way I got into biotechnology, and that has been my journey. By the way, I have published lots of papers in chemical reviews, chemical society reviews, and our H index of my work done in India is 79. I feel happy to get into this area is because, as I said, it will never finish.
Yes, sir,
It,
that's right.
it will never finish, and there are lots of problems to be solved.
सर वैसे आपकी लाइफ जर्नी काफ़ी रोलर कोस्टर की तरह रही है, काफ़ी अच्छे एक्सपीरियंसेस आपने शेयर करे हमारे साथ, एंड ऑब्वियसली जैसे कि आपने बताया कि आपकी एज इज़ अराउंड 70 प्लस, स्टिल यू आर मतलब नॉट स्टॉपिंग, दैट्स द ह्यूज थिंग.
Biotechnology is interdisciplinary. It's interdisciplinary, and lot has to can be shared, and contributions can come from computer science, from
Yes.
environment, from electrical engineering, and in this I didn't mention earlier. There is an area called biomedical engineering, which has lot of potential all over the.
It's also one of the emerging.
It's one of the very important
Yes,
areas,
sir.
because I don't want to die. I want to live as long as I live, as long as I can. And if there are aberrations, when a small baby is born, you can take mapping, DNA mapping,
Yes,
or
yes.
whatever, and then if there is something deficiency at some point, you can supplement that. And so the reason I am trying to tell you is that the biotechnology is the queen at the moment of all the subjects,
That's true, sir.
of all the subjects, and which will, how many, there is a room for, there is a scope for participation almost by everybody, those who are born and those who are going to be born, and we must all get together to make a movement. One of the reasons this biotechnology is, I read your questions, is that there are not many job prospects here, because most of it, for example, I have 3 sisters, so my parents got me educated not because of course I hope they wanted it, but they also that I can help them economically.
Yes, sir.
So that is a true for almost all Indian households, and that is they want the money back. They want the money back. Job prospects in biotechnology have to be improved. I am on various committees of Department of Science and Technology, CSIR, and also Department of Biotechnology.
सर माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज़, जैसे कि आजकल की जो जनरेशन है दे आर मोर कंसर्न, या फिर वो मोर ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं आईटी और सीओई ब्रांच को, वो बायोटेक को अपनी फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस की तरह, या फिर मतलब उस चीज़ को इतना निगलेक्टेड सा क्यों ऐसे ट्रीट करते हैं?
Very good. It's a good question, and before I come to that question, I remember an incident. I gave a talk in Japan,
यस सर.
Hyogo University, to some Japanese students, and then that one of the students asked a question as to what can biosensor do for us. I said, look, biosensor can tell you whether to believe a girlfriend or boyfriend or not, who is thinking more about you, whether the concerned guy is making a fool, or whatever he or she says is trustworthy or not. So most relationships, as you know, they are built on trust. So I said biosensors can do most things you want, but not all the things, because if there are lots of online class, we have online class,
Yes, yes.
online classes, online medicines, online everything, but but most online things can give you medicines but cannot give you heart. So some children will get cured when you look at a mother, when at the doctor. My wife gets cured when she goes to a particular doctor. ऐसे वो कैसे पूछता है सवाल, कैसे सवाल पूछता है तो वो ठीक हो जाती है. That happens. So why are the people choosing IT? And it's basically survival. It's people, as I said earlier, they want jobs. They want, all parents want returns. That is, if all families want return of what they spent on. So, in other words, for example, I have studied in Ramjas College, Delhi University. I stayed in the hostel. So, mess bill of that at that time was 80 rupees. My father can give you, I used to ask him 5 rupees more extra only. 5 rupees for the whole month for kharchi, 80 rupees to वहाँ देना है. So it was very difficult for my parents to bear the expenses at Delhi University. So they are not wrong. They are not wrong. And more, for example, my son is in USA at the moment. So I have spent. He has a good job. He has a job of $1,80,000. It's a big money. But when I asked him to give me money, he said, no, I am short of money. So what I'm trying to mention is that all parents giving their best to see that their children get educated, and they want returns. They want returns. So when the jobs are not there, after even environment, Sunita Narayan, I know she's going to be FNA, Fellow of the National Academy this year, hopefully. Then how she came into being is all because of the Pepsi. Pepsi, in whatever they found lots of pesticides. And at that time I was attending some institute, some conference in Dehradun. So the environment has become popular, is gradually becoming popular, but not as much as computer science.
Yes,
Not as much as other sciences. So most of this is only because there are more job prospects there, and no other reason. And not only the students want jobs, but they also want growth in jobs. And so for example, my son worked for Mass Mutual Corporation for 5 years, has worked, and he wanted a new company to join. So if you don't join a new company in USA, you are not a good person as professionally.
Okay, sir. So if we talk about biotechnology, is it a field जिसमें अब एक बच्चा एक रिसर्च फील्ड में आगे जाके परस्यू कर सकता है, या फिर ये कुछ अच्छे प्लेसमेंट्स भी प्रोवाइड कराता है? एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट रिसर्च, सो हाउ शुड अ स्टूडेंट प्रोसीड इन दैट वे, अगर वो बिल्कुल ही नया है ये चीज़ें बट इंटरेस्ट है दैट ही और शी वांट्स टू डू द रिसर्च थिंग?
Yeah, the question is not easy to answer, but then it is important.
Yes, sir.
And none of us actually know what we want to do initially. And the current generation is lucky in the sense that whatever you want to know is available on internet.
Yes, sir.
That is an important thing. For example, when I was doing my physics honors, I will go to some place on Bangla Road and hire a book for 1 year for 50 rupees, and then I can get that back, some part of the money back. So at that time the situation was very difficult. So somebody will ask me what I will do after physics honors or MSc. I said, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. But today most of the youngsters, including my son 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago, know what they are wanting. What they are wanting, where does their future lie. So the best thing will be to explore on the internet as to where will it lead to. If somebody wants to become a nurse, but that means must know what nurse means. Nurse means total dedication.
Yes, sir.
to become a teacher also required, there are no dividends, enough dividend. What dividends you have is only regards that the student can pay back. For example, wherever I go today, some students are found, and then they pay regards. For example, my student at Kyushu Technology, whenever he meets me either in India or overseas, he will touch my feet, and that is a big return.
Yes, sir.
That is a big return. So what I am trying to mention is that you must do a brainstorming session to yourself by looking at what can computer science offer, what does biotechnology offer. The reason that the students don't opt for biotechnology, good students, I will say, I doesn't mean that those who are here they are not good. I don't mean that. The reason is that they are not introduced to. They just take admission, and then eventually later on come to know that this is not what I want. So there must be opportunities also for students from biotechnology to go to computer science, in between, and computer science to come to biotechnology. And so what I am trying to say is that you must do brainstorming session through internet, and by asking questions the way you are asking now.
Yes, sir.
So this interview should be exposed to the beginners. Should be told to the beginner that what does actually the biotechnology offer. One doesn't like all the subjects even in biotechnology. So, but then I think I believe that there is a great future in biotechnology and bioscience, and we must not get discouraged with the developments. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So personally, I feel so proud sitting next to you.
No.
And it's a huge thing for our Inceptio team that we are doing this. And
I thank you both for motivating me to do what I have said today. And if there is anything that is required to do more, I will be there.
Definitely, sir. We will contact you in future also. We want such mentors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.